We are doing a quick trim today. We're trimming some bushes. Today we're going to be using the Husqvarna extended pole hedge trimmer, and you're seeing a little aerial view right now. Unfortunately, we did film from start to finish our project here. However, some of the video for some reason wasn't able to transfer over, so we're kind of picking up in the middle of the video. Our technique that we're using at the moment is pretty much we're going in a sweeping motion. We always like to start from the bottom, like from the sides, as you're seeing right now. We shape up the sides first before we do anything on top. As you can see, the two bushes on the side at the moment, they're just about finished, and we're working on this last one right here. And we're just doing a little sweeping motion, up and down, cutting off the extra bulk, and we're gonna make our way to the top in just a little bit. Thanks to the extended pole on our Husqvarna hedge trimmer, we don't really need that ladder too much to take off that bulk on the top. We will need it to get the middle part. The extended pole is allowing us to just kind of do a circular motion around the bush itself and really getting that bulk on the top. And here you go. Here we have the ladder just to get that little bit in the middle, because that's always the last part that is hard to reach, on all ends, in order to really get that smooth finish on the top. Now that we finished up with our trimming, you can see all the leftovers that we left on the floor, and now it's time for some cleanup. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blow out those beds. We're gonna blow out the bed, and we're gonna mulch it with our machines in order to do some pickup. So check that out. And with that, we are done. Here's a little overview of what we did today. So we trimmed up and we blew out the beds. We trimmed from the sides, working our way to the top, and then cleaning up that top portion. We did it on all three of the bushes, and then with all the mess and all the bulk that we took off, we blew it out onto the beds, and then we cleaned it up with our machines. And here's the end result. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, take care. Thank you for watching.